Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can cancel your subscription on iPhone. So it's pretty simple. What you want to do is go on your phone setting first. From inside setting at the top, it's going to show you your iPhone name. My iPhone name is Jake, so I will click on it. Yours is going to be different, so just click on whatever name is being displayed. Over here, you want to click on this option called subscriptions. Once you're inside subscription, it's going to show you all your active and expired subscription. So I have two active subscription, which is the Apple TV and SMULE one. So let's say I want to delete or cancel the Apple TV subscription. I can click on it. Once I click on it, it's going to take me over here. And on the red text, you can see cancel free trial. Now I'm using the free trial of Apple TV. That's why it's showing me free trial. But in your case, it's going to show you cancel subscription. You just want to click on it. Once you click on it, your subscription will be cancelled. And that is how we guys can cancel the subscription on iPhone. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos just like this. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.